Alright guys, so this is the night before and here is all the paper on the floor. I did 150 stickers here. I asked for 135, but since they paid a decent amount for this, if you didn't see my last video, go check it out right here. I just threw in a couple more. So I am tired, I am going to bed. I'm throwing this into this video, but this is really the night before. So yes, they did end up purchasing. I did get a message saying, hey, this is legit, this is the amount, this is the quantity, this is for like a work party, blah blah blah. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the video before. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know you just watched that video. This is the next day. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make videos almost every single day going over the ups and downs of business and make a video almost every single day till I hit $30,000 a month. So if you're interested in any of that, subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up. It really helps to support the channel out. Let's just get straight into it. We're gonna be doing customer orders. We're gonna try to get a shipment out if we can. It's just going to be a very busy day because we have over 30 orders we have to get out. So let's get started. I'll see you guys in a bit. We made an absolute mess last night, so let's get this all cleaned up. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is get this order out. This is a $425 order right here. So we're gonna get this out first things first, get that shipped out to the customer, and then we'll work on our other orders. Guys, so we have just finished customer orders, which is over here. Now let's do a very little FBA shipment just so we can get some of these stickers into the warehouse. All right guys, so we are done with both customer orders and the shipment that I brought in. So I did two different SKUs. So it ended up being 50 stickers I'm bringing in. They're 3 packs. So it was a decent amount of stickers. So sending those in right now. So thank you so much for watching. Let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. All right guys, so starting with Shopify, we made $39.95 on Quality Prints USA. We made $41.04 on eBay. And we made $926.69 on Amazon yesterday. So a total of $1,008 in revenue yesterday, which is what we need to be hitting that 30K mark. We need to be doing those $1,000 days. So if you are interested in seeing me hit $30,000, like I've said before, please subscribe down below if you love these videos, and also like it. It helps other people find my videos as well, just like you. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.